Today I'm going to show you how to turn black and white image to color like this. Okay, got you. So this is the image, right? And we're going to duplicate it here, and we can name it colored or color. Then you hit OK. So you just duplicate it again to keep these two image first. Okay, so the only thing we're going to do is that we're going to select this. Sorry, there's two. Then just cut it from here. Okay, to here. Then hit Ctrl J, and let's move to blending option. So when we get to there, let's just click on this. Okay, so make sure you would choose color like this. Okay, I've just gotten my everything already, so just make sure it's going to be around skin, color like this. Then you hit OK, then you change the normal to color, so you're going to get something like this. So when you get to this point, hit OK. When you hit OK, make sure you choose eraser tool and increase the size of the eraser and just clean it. Sorry, but make sure you will take your time to work on it. Okay, I think, yeah, this one is cool. And clean this side. Let's just reduce it a little. Just clean it here. Well, okay, so see before and after, before and after. So when you get to this point, make sure you create new layer and hold shift and add them together. Control E to add them together. Okay, so that we can just control everything. We just want to to get it from this image. So make sure you just get color like this, get to red, and make sure you just maintain it to around here. Okay, and hit OK and choose color replacement. So when you choose it, make sure you just color this side. Okay, yeah, so let's see. Okay, before and after, and the teeth. So we can just select this. Okay, object selection. Then okay, this quick selection, sorry, we can choose that one, then reduce it, and we can just select it. So that you won't make any mistakes. Okay, so let me just get into this. Okay, I'll just choose whites, and I'll use the same thing to just clean it to get something like this. Okay, and Control D to just take this one out. Okay, have you seen it? Okay, then we're going to just circle around here. Um I think know how to use my mouse well, because I've just trained hard to know how to control it. Then hit OK. Have you seen it? Before and after, before and after. So we're going to target the lips at the top here. When you select it, Control J, then you move to image and move to hue saturation. Then you increase it and turn it to down like this. Then you hit OK. You can just change it to any color you just want. I prefer to choose this. Okay, then you clean it around it, make it well. Okay, let's see. So going to increase the size, then we're going to step around this side well, not too much, so just fade it. Okay, how is it before and after? So let's see, let's just move to that side again. Oh, come on, before and after. So I need to just clean this side. Okay, here it's normal, so it's not part. So just let's see and just move to adjustments, and we can send it to any we just want. So let me just maintain this one and increase it a little bit, and boom, that's it. And we can just change the top two. Here we can just change it to, and okay, let's just I just want to add them together. Control G. So we have this one, and to bring this one out. So I'm gonna change the earrings to let's say yellow, like this. No, something cool like this. Then I will select the color replacement. Great, cool, simple. So I will send it, and here to. So let's see before and after. So we're going to tag the eyebrow, and you can just take it. Just do the same thing when it gets to this point. Select this brush. Oh, sorry, that too, and yes, sorry. Crop it like this. Cut it like this, and hit Control J. When it hits Control J, just move to adjustment, do the same thing. Move to hue and saturation, and take this one down like this, and move this to like this, and hit OK. When you hit OK, you can just select it. So let's see which one is best. Okay, I think we need to get something cool like that. Then we reduce it. Okay, multiply. Then we use eraser too. To just clean it around it. Okay. So let's see before and after. Hit Control J. Okay, so I just duplicate it again to make it deep. Then add it together. That's how I used to work all the time. Then we choose eraser. Sorry guys. Then we choose the black color and color. placement, then we change it to black. Like I say, take your time, don't rush on it. Okay. Boom. Yeah, so this is so cool and beautiful. Okay, so left this side, you can just, then we hold shift and Control J to cut it and move to blending option. Then we change it. Grading overlay. Let's just get something cool and beautiful. So let's just get to blue color. Okay, I think this one's not bad. Then we change it. I don't know, I think this one's cool. Let's go. Then choose eraser, so then you clean out on it. I'm just showing you so you can do it and just correct, I mean, how you just want it to be. Yeah, boom, before and after. Okay, that's it. And here you can just duplicate the image again, and you can just do any touches to just fill the back. Sometimes I used to just color it anyhow I just want it to be, and yeah. Okay, so this is the powerful tool I always just love to use all the time. So you can try and same thing before and after, before and after. So guys, this is what I just want to show you, and this is what I just taught you today. So subscribe, like and comment, and see you for the next video. Bye.